guys, so it's 2 days later from the last time we planted. We cleaned the planter out, moving on to a different variety, Shepherdese. They're a early variety for McCain's, and we've been over this field in front of me. Been over it once with the shank. Scott's picking the rocks, and my grandfather's just coming up to do it the second time. I'm up here. I filled down at the farm where Ray was filling the planter filler, and then drove up. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plant a headland down across, so when we come to spray this, Ray doesn't have to come to the end of the row and then fold his booms in and then drive, pull into the next row, fold his booms back out, and then go again. If you have a headland, he can drive out and can keep his booms out, so it actually makes it a lot faster going. Alright guys, so we got our headland done on the other end, and this is one of the fields that I'd already set up my lines in earlier this spring. So I did an AB line for my headland, and then this was an AB line, and so yeah, we're just coming here to the end. It's still pretty good. Just over an acre so far on this field. Still got quite a bit of fertilizer left and quite a bit of seed left, so probably do quite a bit more here before I gotta fill again. So yeah, we're coming right here to the end right now. About at 8 acres, just a little shy. Looking up over a ledge. And so I think I'm on my 4th fill back there now. Yeah, we're just plugging away. We'll have this field done today for sure, and then I'm not sure where we're going next. We'll have this variety all planted. We don't, it'll only be about 25 acres, I think, of this variety. Well guys, we started way over there, we're coming across, we're over to here. We only have to go to that line fence there. I'm gonna say, actually I can look here, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trips left after this one, so down and then 6. So I'm almost done this fill. I'll be able to get down to the other end on what I have in. Ray's down at the other end right now. He's coming up the hill when I turned around, so he should be down there now. And that should be my last fill for this field. That should do me. So then I'm not sure how many more we'll have. That's 15 acres on the counter, just about. We'll have 15 probably by the time we're to the end of her. Anyway, so I don't know, we'll get 16 probably on this piece, maybe. This should be pretty good. And yeah, then we'll have probably 3 or 4 to put on another piece. That should be it. We'll be out of seed after that for this variety. Hey guys, so we're just cleaning up the planter. My Uncle Ray's back in there right now. And just finishing off the last of this seed. He's poking it down through the holes. We had to go to another field and do a little bit to get it gone. But anyway. Then after this, we got a pretty big move over to Dad's place in Rosedale. And then we're going to switch to russets over there. So I'll catch you over there in Rosedale. She is a high traffic zone through here right now. Dave, he's going with the cedar. She's a beautiful rig right there. He's running RTK too, first time. We're figuring it out together. Alright, well, we're going to Rosedale, so I'll catch you when we're there. Well guys, we switched over to russets. We're spacing them 15 inches, and so I can go quite a bit faster. So yeah, we're moving now. I just had to set my line up and down here. It's straight for a lot of this. The potato houses are right there that I'm normally at. That's where the barn was. We tore the barn down a couple weeks ago. Anyway, there's all these ditches that run down it, so I have to lift over them. But Scott's dad plowed this actually the last couple days. It was corn, and anyway, they hooked the smaller shank on behind the tractor, and so Scott, he's gonna shank it. Finally left more of a gap there than I wanted, but the field kind of goes that way right up here, so kind of tucks in, so we'll see how it works out. Hopefully it works out all right. Hey guys, so we're still going at it here. It is 9:30. Had a minor setback. There was a rock in the load of fertilizer, and anyway, so it plugged one of my augers. So we had to take that apart to get the rock out, and then we were good. But we had to plant the fertilizer off first, otherwise we'd lost all the fertilizer out the bottom of it doing it. So anyway, Dad and Ray, they're heading home. This is going to be the last fill for the night. And so once I plant this off, I'm going home, going to bed. So it's a pretty good day. We've got quite a few acres done. Got a whole variety planted, started another one, made a move to a different farm. So they're calling rain tonight, but we don't think it's going to be as bad as they were once calling. So tomorrow's Sunday, so we'll take the day off and go to church and rest up for the afternoon. I don't know what I'd do without it. And then Monday, we're going to be right back at it, hopefully, if it's dry enough. It just depends on how much rain we're going to get. I cannot even see my cameras. Just going in the dark. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. We still got a lot of planting left to do. We're not even halfway yet, which is kind of disappointing. Last year we were done June 3rd, and today's